Welcome to our guide on setting up your Squarespace domain. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to connect, transfer, and troubleshoot your domain. Let's clarify the difference between connecting and transferring a domain. Connecting means pointing your existing domain to Squarespace. Transferring involves moving your domain registration to Squarespace. Step 1. To connect your domain, log into your Squarespace account, navigate to Settings, and click on Domains. Choose Connect Domain and follow the prompts. Step 2. If you'd like to transfer your domain, simply click on Transfer Domain in the domain settings. Enter your domain name, follow the instructions, and confirm the transfer. Step 3. Adjust your DNS settings by accessing your domain registrar's dashboard. Add the required records such as name and records as specified. Here are some common issues you might encounter: domain not pointing correctly, DNS records not set, or transfer delays. You can resolve these easily with a few adjustments. If you're facing connection problems, check your DNS settings first. Ensure your domain is unlocked and that you've entered the correct values on both ends. To verify your domain connection, check for a green indicator or a notification in your Squarespace domain settings. This confirmation means all is set correctly. Here are some helpful tips for managing your domain on Squarespace. Regularly update your DNS settings, monitor renewals, and link your analytics. That's it for our comprehensive guide on setting up your Squarespace domain. Follow these steps to ensure your domain is connected or transferred seamlessly. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials.